I am getting ready to, excuse my voice, I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. I'm making some homemade biscuits, bacon, a couple of hash browns, and some grits, and some scrambled eggs. Now, that stuff not up here. But my pan for the biscuits and the ingredients for the biscuits right here. I'm not making yogurt biscuits, sour cream biscuits, just regular heavy whipping cream and self-rising flour. Just the Hoffy bacon to go with the breakfast, and like I said, hash browns. So this should be a good breakfast. And happy Tuesday, I guess. This might go on into dinner. I don't feel like making dinner today. So breakfast will be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Biscuits, hash brown, bacon, grits, and eggs. Well, might have to make fresh eggs, but loving it. Okay, I got the flour, the self-rising flour, some shredded butter, and heavy whipping cream in the bowl. I am about to turn it into the dough where I can cut out the biscuits and put them in the pan. Okay, I have formed the biscuits out of the dough. One pan already prepped. And I'm getting ready to do the next pan. Stay tuned. I'll be back when the biscuits are ready. Okay, this step right before I put them in the oven, I put butter, and then I'm going to place these in the refrigerator. Let me cover them with my little parchment paper. I'm going to set the biscuits in the refrigerator until I am ready to cook them, and then I'll be back to show you the final results. Loving it. My voice is leaving again. I have prepped the bacon and the hash browns to go in the oven. This is Tuesday morning breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Be back when the biscuits are ready. Bacon and hash browns are ready. Now I'm waiting for the biscuits. Almost there. Biscuits are done. Okay, guys, breakfast is done. My homemade biscuits are ready. Hash browns, bacon. Only thing I don't have up here are the grits and eggs. But bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Loving it.